Do you know you can get paid to read? Yes, you heard me right. Reading now pays. In case you have been reading for free, guess what? You can actually read and start getting paid. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid at least $50 per book that you read. Yeah, so if this speaks like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know I'm your mogul when it comes to helping you to secure the bag. This is your plug. I am here to help you make money. Have you made money today? In case you have not, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm going to be spilling the tea on the website, yes, that helps you to get paid to read books. Hey, like me, I need to read books so I get paid. Yes, books that I've been wanting to read and I'll not get paid for it before. Yeah, so come with me, guys. Let's go. So if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you. I can't even thank you guys enough. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, the love that you've shown to this girl. Thank you. I really heart you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, you know I'm your money mogul. I'm here to help you secure it. We are all about securing the bags on this channel. Yeah, so we are not here to door or sleep. We are not here to count bridges. We are here to make money. Yeah, so yes, let me also introduce myself while you guys do the same. My name is Mariam A based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you guys how to make money online. I share with you grants. You know when I mention grants on this channel, I'm talking about free money that you're not paying back. If you have not seen my previous videos, I don't know what you're doing. No. Go ahead and check out the video and start to apply for those grants as quickly as possible. You know, these are free money that you don't have to pay back, unlike loans that you have to pay back with interest in most cases. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid $50 for reading just a book. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, just so you know, most payouts pay up to $60 per review, and here is the catch. If you don't love reading books, this is not for you. Yes, so they buy the books for you, so it's free to you. They will buy the books and send it to you, and then they'll make payment to you through PayPal. The website is over 15 years old with over 2 million members. Yes, the website I'm going to be introducing you guys to in today's video. Don't worry, you are fine. Guess what? You can get paid to review books and it's completely free for you. So first of all, congratulate yourself for finding this video. Yes, so what actually is this? So what is this? It is actually simple. Now, so guys, many publishers and up-and-coming authors are willing to give you a free copy of their book in exchange for your writing and honest review of their book. Indeed, over 10,000 authors have sent their books to these websites for review, and it's a collection of books that each normally cost money to purchase, but from which you can choose a book for free. In fact, there's such a high demand for reviewers to accept these offers that so many of them also come with a payment in addition to a free book. In other words, you will get a free copy of a book and then you will get paid to honestly review that book. You don't have to lie and say that you love the book if you don't love the book. If you're being paid for being honest, give a honest review, not a positive review, not necessarily a positive review. Yeah, you get what I mean? So most payouts currently pay up to $60 per review, and like I said, and guess what? You can use it to establish yourself as a reviewer, and then there's the savings from you getting the books for free instead of paying for them. Now, for your first review, you will not get paid, but you get the book for free. If you're the kind of person who has not read a book in the last year, maybe you use this one to revive your reading passion. However, if you're the kind of person that loves to read books and enjoys finding new authors, then this is an awesome offer for you. Would you just rather earn some cash and save money getting books that you would have spent paying for those books? You would have spent paying for those books, and you can read these books at your spare time, leave a review and get paid for it. You get free book and you get paid as well, and then you also get knowledge from what you have read in those books. So what are we talking about? It's a win-win situation. You know, on this channel, it's about helping you guys win, not just win, but win real big. And of course, it's all about securing the bag for you guys. If you have not secured the bag yet, join the winning team. Or if you have not joined this family, subscribe to my channel today, like this video, and share this video with your friends. As always, I've done all the homework for you. The website we're talking about in question is drum rolls, and the website is called onlinebookclub.org. You can also find it in my description as well. And thank me later. Go ahead and start to apply, and then thank me later. Like I said, the first book is free, the first review is free, and then after that you start getting paid for your subsequent reviews of books that you read on that from that website. And I hope this video has been a blessing to you. And just in case you never knew that you could get paid reading books, yes, you can get. Now you heard it from this channel. There are so many ways to actually get money, to make money. Money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, trust me, you'll never be broke again. And one other thing is, I shared a lot of videos on my channel, weird ways to make money, ways to make money. They're all legal ways to make money. Yes. You know, do you know that there are websites where the rich also give people money? They give you money for free. Yes, maybe money to take a trip, money to pay your school fees, money for hospital bills, money to take a vacation. Yes, there are people that are willing to fund your lifestyle, whatever it is that you need money for. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised that somebody has the money, they have extra cash to give to you. So I shared all those videos too on my channel. So make sure that you watch, go and binge watch my videos. Go and binge watch my videos, and you know, start to apply for these opportunities as quickly as possible. You know me, I'm here to bring you guys, deliver valuable content for you guys, back to back, back to back. And just so you know, if this is your first time on this channel, please note that this is going to be one of the most valuable channels that you've ever come across on the streets of YouTube. I'm your girl Mariam. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Here, it's all about how to make money online. Have you made money today? In case you have not made money today, don't even sleep on it. Join the winning team. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share. Yes, there's love in sharing. Sharing is caring. The fact that you share this video doesn't mean that you'll take all the opportunities away and you will not stand a chance to either win grants or, you know, make money online. There's enough room in the sky for all of us to shine, for all of us to fly without even touching one another. So I hope this video has blessed you. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions for me. Let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you have any question for me, if you need me to do a reset to your specification, let me know as well in the comments. I'm working for you guys day and night. Guys, I've been sleeping very late these days. Yes, I'm going to take a break. I know you will ask me to rest, but definitely I'm working for you guys. I'm looking out for you guys like all the time. Every single time I'm constantly scanning through the internet, looking for opportunities to help you guys make more money in your spare time, and maybe even as your main business. Yeah, I mean, don't worry about it. I love what I do, and I'm happy to do all the research for you guys. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I'm super duper proud of you. And that's what I want to say. Thank you to all my Patreon members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are just amazing. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. And part of the perks of joining, if you join my Patreon community, you can book a free consultation with me, one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, business, and everything in between. You know I've always got you guys covered. Yeah, so and on this note, I'm signing out. And in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're sweet, you're gorgeous, you're beautiful, and I am super duper proud of you. And how far you can go, my sweetheart. Leave them behind. Go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. And that's on period. Alright guys, signing out. Take care of yourselves, and go to exploits. Keep winning and keep shining, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell, because of course I want to see you again in my next video. Take care guys, and bye for now. Bye guys.